Begin this culinary journey by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven warms up, prepare your muffin tin by lining it with paper liners or greasing the cups. Now, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and half a teaspoon of salt. If you're feeling adventurous, you could make your pumpkin pie spice with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and an 1/8 teaspoon of cloves. Take a large bowl and whisk these dry ingredients together. The aroma of the spices should already start to fill your kitchen. Next, for the wet ingredients, you'll need 2 large eggs, 1 cup of canned pumpkin puree, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of milk. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs, then add the pumpkin puree, oil, sugar, vanilla extract, and milk. Mix these until you achieve a smooth consistency. Now comes the exciting part, combining the wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet mix into the bowl with the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Remember, the key is not to overmix. Once your batter is ready, it's time to fill the muffin tin. Divide the batter evenly, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Place the tin in your preheated oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, allow the muffins to cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.